Hello everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to get a good number of views on TikTok. TikTok can be a powerful tool for increasing brand reach and awareness. Let me tell you, watching your own video on replay 100 times over does not classify as 100 views. TikTok doesn't count views from your own account. If you want to get more TikTok views, this will be the best tutorial for you. Open your TikTok account and go to your profile. Click upload and it will take you directly to your gallery. You can choose videos or picture to upload. So this is your picture. Now click next. Here, you need to scroll down and go to who can watch this video. As you can see, it is set to only me. Click this one and switch the option to everyone here. And then after that, you can go back and kindly think of any caption, for example, great. You can even add a hashtag for this. Hashtags are very helpful. Example, FYP post. Now, another way to get more views is to make sure that your video or the video you uploaded was set to everyone. Let's just say, for example, this video that I uploaded, the setting was set to private. Obviously, no one can watch this video. All you need to do is to tap this three dots here and look for privacy settings. So click this lock icon here. Now go back to see if the video was set to public. Yes, it is, and everyone can watch this. Another way is to make your account public by going to settings, click privacy, swipe this to the left side, and something will appear like this. Switch to public account, click switch. Now you can go back and start uploading videos for your TikTok. If you find this video helpful and informative, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to see more video tips and tutorials.